Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from JEE Main 2026 April attempt and most expected question of such type in NEET 2026. A liquid drop of diameter 2 mm breaks into 512 droplets. The change in surface energy is alpha into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. Then the value of alpha is, take surface tension of liquid is 0.08 Newton per meter. So student, here is a droplet and you know that droplet have only one surface, okay, of radius capital R, and it is big in small droplets of small radius R, of radius small r, then volume remain constant, and these are the number 1 512. So 4 upon 3 pi r q equal to 512 into 4 upon 3 phi r q. Volume of bigger drop is equal to volume, total volume of the 512 drops. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. RQ equal to 512, which is the cube of 8 into RQ. Cube is removed, R equal to 8 into R, okay, or small r equal to capital R by 8. When bigger drop is break into small drops, the surface area changes, and surface area del A equal to 4 pi r square minus, this is the surface area of bigger drop, and this will be subtracted from the 512 because surface area changes, due to which the energy is also changes. So 512 into 4 pi small r square. So we take 4 pi common from this, so 512 r square minus small r square. This is the change in surface area. 4 pi 512 r is r square by 8 square minus r square. R square is common in both, so 4 pi r square. This is 512 upon 8, it is 64 minus 1 because r is taken as common. So 4 pi r square, when we divide it, we got 8 minus 1, this is 7 into 4 pi r square. Since r is given in this is 2 millimeter, this is the diameter, so when we divide, we got r equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, okay. So putting these value, 4 pi 22 over 7, r is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole square, okay. So 7 cancel, we got 8 into 8 into 8 into 10 to the power minus, this is minus 3, millimeter is change in meter, therefore 10 to the power minus 3, not 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 to the power minus 3, and this become 10 to the power minus 6. So this is 88, 4 to ja 8, 4 to ja 8, 88 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is area meter square, okay. So work done or change in energy equal to T into del A, because it has only one surface. If this is a bubble, when we take 2T into del A, but here we take only T into del A. T is the surface tension, which is 0.08 into 88 into 10 to the power minus 6, and this is 8 upon 100, 88 into 10 to the power minus 6, and 8 is 64, 8 is 64 plus 6, this is 704 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 100. So this is 7.04 into 10 to the power minus 6. okay, joule, and which is given to us alpha into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. So 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6 common. If we compare alpha equal to 7 from here, 7, the value of alpha is asked in integer. Therefore, B is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.